Hi friends, welcome back again. Today I'm going to share with you how you can use rice water and green tea together to beautify your skin. Rice water and green tea both are amazing for skin whitening and they will give us fresh new look. So let's go and check it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new uploads. First of all, to make a rice water, take around half a cup of rice and add in a bowl and add some water and let this set for few seconds. After a few seconds, remove all the water so that all the dirt and impurities will remove if any. Now again add 1 cup of water and let this rest for an hour. Now on the other hand, take 1 green tea bag and add some hot water and let this set for few minutes. It's been an hour and now take out all the water in a separate bowl and here your rice water is absolutely ready. This is one of the way of making rice water. So the green tea is also ready, so I'm going to add this to the rice water and I'm also going to add some few drops of tree oil because my skin is acne prone, but if you want you can totally skip this. And mix this well and your rice water green tea toner is completely ready to use. Now you can store this in any spray bottle or you can also take some cotton pads in any container and add rice and green tea toner and use it. You can spray this before applying any makeup to protect your skin completely, or you can use cotton pads to cleanse your skin or use before applying any night cream or day cream. So friends, this is all about my today's video. I hope you like it. Then please hit the like button and please support me by subscribing and liking my channel. If you have any query, any doubt, please tell me in the comment section and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.